Hey chess lovers! Welcome to Sharmalan Chess. Today we've got a brilliant miniature, a trap so sneaky it ends in just 9 moves. Let's dive into the Alapin opening and see how black got crushed before even realizing what went wrong. Ist move to white e4, black replies to e5. White opens with the king's pawn. Black replies symmetrically. A classic start. White plays an unusual second move. Knight e2, known as the Alapin opening. It looks passive, but this is all part of a sneaky trap. Black develops naturally with knight f6, attacking the e4 pawn. White pushes f4, challenging the center. Black captures the pawn. Looks fine on the surface. White recaptures with the knight, developing it to a more aggressive square. Black now grabs another pawn with knight cross e4. This is where trouble begins. Black is now being greedy, and that will backfire. Instead of knight cross e4, a safer line would be knight c6, just developing pieces. Fifth move. White plays queen e2, putting pressure on the e4 knight. Black mirrors with queen e7, defending it, but this blocks in the kingside bishop and delays castling. Not ideal. Another common blunder here is fifth move, black queen h4 check, trying to harass white. But after 6th move g3, queen e7, 7th move knight d5, black falls behind in development. White plays knight d5, increasing pressure on the e4 knight and queen. Black plays queen e5, trying to hold everything together. Now both the queen and the knight on e4 are overloaded. White is about to strike. White calmly develops with knight bc3, adding fuel to the center. Black tries to kick the knight away with c6. But it's already too late. 8th move 2. White pushes d4 with tempo. 8th move. Black retreats the queen to f5, keeping up the defense. But there's one final shot. Boom. Knight cross e4. White simply grabs the knight and black resigns immediately. Why? Because the queen on f5 is now hanging. And if she recaptures, she walks right into knight cross d6, check fork idea's next move. It's over. Black has no good defense. This is why you don't get greedy in the opening. Black took that central pawn and tried to hold on, but white kept developing and used tactics to punish the overextended knight. This trap is a hidden gem in the Alapin opening, perfect for catching unsuspecting players in blitz or rapid. Have you ever fallen for an early trap like this? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share if you love these quick tactical breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and remember, in chess, activity beats material.